Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add single row border in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see we create a sheet. Now we want to add the single row border. At first, select your data sheet, click and drag on your mouse. Then go to the home menu. Select the borders drop down menu and go to more border option. Then select the border section and choose a single border. Then select the vertical line or the horizontal line and click OK. You can remove the horizontal line. Now I am enable only vertical line. Click OK. Now we can see we add single row border into this sheet easily. You want to make sure the border is added, go to the file menu. Click the print option, check the print preview. We can see we added the single row border easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.